Ever felt stuck trying to create videos for your online course? You're not alone. Whether you're a teacher, entrepreneur, or expert, recording yourself can feel overwhelming. But creating engaging, high-quality videos doesn't require a Hollywood budget or a film degree. With the right tools, tips, and mindset, you can create videos that educate and captivate your audience. Stick around, because today I'll walk you through the steps to make videos for online courses that your students will love. Let's get started. Before we dive into the technical stuff, let's talk about the foundation of great course videos. It's not just about hitting the record button, it's about planning, engaging your audience, and delivering value. Here's what we'll cover. How to plan your content for maximum impact. The equipment you need, spoiler, it's probably less than you think. Tips for recording like a pro, even if you've never been on camera before. Editing hacks to make your videos polished and professional. And finally, how to keep your audience hooked from start to finish. Ready? Let's jump into step 1. Planning your content. Step 1 is all about planning. Think of your video as a story. Every great story has a beginning, middle, and end. Start by outlining your key points. What do you want your students to learn? Break it down into bite-sized chunks. This makes it easier for your audience to digest and retain the information. Pro tip: use a script or bullet points to stay on track. You don't have to memorize every word, but having a roadmap will save you time and keep your delivery smooth. Now let's talk equipment. You might be thinking, do I need a fancy camera or studio setup? Nope, you can create amazing videos with just a few basics. A smartphone or webcam for recording. A good microphone for clear audio. Trust me, bad audio is a deal breaker. A ring light or natural lighting to make sure your face is well lit. That's it. You don't need to break the bank to get started. Step 3. Recording like a pro. Here's the secret. Confidence comes with practice. Start by finding a quiet space with minimal distractions. Look directly into the camera to create a connection with your audience. Speak clearly and at a steady pace. And don't worry if you mess up, you can always edit it out later. Speaking of editing, step 4 is where the magic happens. You don't need to be a tech wizard to edit your videos. Tools like iMovie, Canva, or even free software like DaVinci Resolve can help you trim mistakes, add text, and include visuals like slides or images. Keep it simple. Your goal is to enhance the content, not overwhelm it. Finally, step 5. Keeping your audience hooked. Here's how. Start with a strong hook. Ask a question or share a surprising fact. Use visuals like slides, animations, or even your own screen recordings. Keep your video short and focused. Aim for 5-10 minutes per topic. End with a call to action like asking viewers to comment or move to the next lesson. Remember, your energy and passion are contagious. If you're excited about your topic, your audience will be too. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to creating videos for online courses. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your current videos, these tips will help you create content that stands out and truly connects with your audience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on creating online courses. And if you have any questions or want to share your own video making tips, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and remember, your knowledge is valuable. Now go out there and share it with the world. See you in the next video.